All right, Scooter Pack fans, so we finished Fleer, started with 83 stickers, then went to 87, did some 88, 89, 90, and 91, finished out 91 today. Before we start score next, we're going to do this 100 baseball trading card blister pack that we picked up from McNulty Sports Cards. And it does not have a year on it. I did pick up 2 of these, but I'm guessing that it's probably around 2003 because that's the year of this Upper Deck first pitch foil pack. So let's get into it and see what we can find. We also are still waiting on our Bangers mystery box. Or we would have done that as well. Let's go ahead and use the scissors. Typically this plastic is fairly brittle, but I guess not in this case. Open this up without fugazing the cards. Especially that Miguel Cabrera card. All right. Let's go with the we'll put that here. We'll go with the non-foil pack section first. Corners look to be okay. We start out with 2006 National Baseball Card Day card of Miguel Cabrera. Very nice. When he played for the Florida Marlins, looks like a very young Miguel Cabrera. This is going to be a 2006 Topps card. We'll put this back here. I like to keep that package in camera view so y'all know that I didn't mess with it, change cards around or whatnot. Would never do that. I've seen these cards before. They're not part of the regular set. As you can see, 10 of 10. And the corners looks great on this card. Looking at it in the light, I don't see any scratches. That's a beautiful card right there. Let's throw him up there, Miguel Cabrera. What do we have here? 1990 score of Big Mac, Mark McGwire. Very nice. It almost looked like it was the glossy version. But no, that's going to be his base card. But looking good. Oh, so minor corner issue up here, but not enough to really write home about. Very cool on the Big Mac card. We'll take it. Wow, first 2 cards in that first section are looking good. All right, 87 Topps of Greg Swindell, I should know. Oh, nice. This is one of those glossy all-star cards that you have to send away for. Doc Gooden. Now, unfortunately, I can already tell that there's a little bit of it's cut a little crooked on the top and the bottom. You can almost see on the bottom, it's not quite straight with that orange line. But that is very cool. 87 Topps All-Star Glossy, part of the collector's edition set that you had to send away for of Doc Gooden. We're going to throw that up there. It sucks that it's got that little slight off cut. Toys R Us 91 collector's edition. This is going to be, I guess 91 Toys R Us of Pat Combs. That's cool. Don't have too many of these ones in my collection. Jose Offerman. Ben McDonald. These are glossy too. They're great shape. Topps 91 Collector's Edition Rookies. Delano DeShields. And there's the backs of them. Very cool on that. Very nice. 85 Topps of Gary Templeton. Going to be part of the base set there. Oh, nice. 85 Topps of Dave Righetti. That is awesome. Not going to be his rookie card, but awesome card nonetheless. Let's go ahead and throw that up there. 1990 score of Mark Williamson. Fleer 92. The Performer Collection of Ryan Sandberg. Rest in peace, old Rhino. That's a cool card. 3 of 24. Okay, so maybe it's a 7-Eleven Citgo gas insert or like a subset or something. I've seen these before with Score, where they have the 7-Eleven or Citgo or Sunoco. They do sets that are backed by Fleer. That's cool. That's very cool. Awesome card. All right, we got 86 tops of Steve Murrah. That one doesn't look too great. Got a bit of a corner issue there. We'll throw that down, throw that over here. Got Rick Camp. That one's looking rough. Oh yeah, it's got a crease in the front. So both the 86 tops don't look great. 89 tops of Pete Stanacek. 90 score of John Kruk. 1990 tops of Eric the Red. Very nice. Eric Davis. How's that looking? Looking all right. 90 tops of Edgar Martinez. Got a, there it is right there. Got a crease and some corner issue. Going to have to toss that one out. Skybox Dominion. Is that what it says? Dominion of Todd Zeal. Interesting looking card. 2000 Skybox. Alrighty. This, I believe, is 92 Leaf. No, 1990 Leaf of Doc Gooden. Very cool on the 1990 Leaf of Doc Gooden. We'll throw it up there next to his other card. Here's Skybox of Steve Finley. That's a cool looking card. 2000 Fleer Skybox. That's Steve Finley. All right, looks like we got a bunch of 86. I'm sorry, I keep saying 86. A bunch of 87 tops. Got Steve Crawford, Sammy Stewart, National League All-Star card of Steve Sachs. Got Dave Stapleton, bunch of Reds. 87 tops of Mike Brown, Tim Leary, Billy Sample, manager of the California Angels at the time, Gene Mauch. There's Gino Petrelli, Cale Daniels, nice. All right, here is some, I think these are 88 tops UK. Supposedly these were cards they sold in the United Kingdom. We've got Juan Simiol. That's the backs of them. Tim Wallach. Ivan Coldron. Gary Gaetti. Candy Maldonado. Oral Hershiser, very nice on the Oral Hershiser. Doc Gooden. I'm going to keep these ones together. Cool on the Dwight Gooden. George Bell. Brett Saberhagen. And 2 Brett Saberhagens, apparently. All right. Upper Deck, the Collector's Choice. It's going to be 95 Collector's Choice of John Lieber. It's a cool card. 89 tops of Pascual Perez. Oh, my favorite. 88 tops, Tom Candiotti. Ken Landrew. We've got Fleer Platinum of Sean Casey. It's going to be 2005 Fleer Platinum. Not bad. 89 tops of Jack Clark. And that actually is a traded card. Yeah, I thought that front looked different. So that's part of the 89 Topps traded set. Ooh, got some minor league cards here. 1990 Best for the Williamsport Bills. And I believe Williamsport's out of Pennsylvania. Got Mark Razuk. There's the backs of them. Cut a little bit off on the bottom here. Here's Orlando Rays of Johnny Ard. And then it looks like we've got 1989 Topps, 1988 rookies, glossy rookies. Nice. Got Darren Jackson and Mackie Sasser. Very nice on the 89 Topps glossy rookies. Not bad in that first section. We picked up Doc Gooden's 1990 Leaf, Dave Righetti's 85 Topps card, Doc Gooden's 87 glossy All-Stars card. It's cut a little diagonal, but we'll take it. Beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. Fleer 92, the Performer Collection of Rhino, rest in peace. 90 score of Big Mac. And then this sweet card, 2006 Topps, National Baseball Card Day card, 10 of 10 of Miggy. Awesome. We'll take it. That was a good section. We lost just a few cards due to some wrinkles and corner issues. All right. Coming up on the 12-minute mark. If you're still hanging out, I appreciate you. Let's go through this second section. We start out with, what do we got? The Star Company. That's an interesting back. Wonder if that's even going to be listed in Beckett. Should be, right? Star of Mark Grace. I almost wanted to say this was a minor league card, but that's definitely not a minor league uniform. Huh. I'm going to have to do some research on that one. Oh, nice. We picked up Sportflix. We're familiar with Sportflix on this channel. This is going to be a 1987 Sportflix card of Willie Hernandez. Awesome card there. Topps Gallery. Jerry Hairston Jr. Beautiful looking card. It's actually quite thick. It's going to be a 2002 Topps Gallery card. Looking nice. There's an Upper Deck Sweet Spot card of Tony Batista. Very nice on the Sweet Spot. It's going to be a 2001 Upper Deck Sweet Spot. Oh, very nice. Got a 1990 Topps Major League Debut card of Randy McCammett. These cards tend to hold some value. I think these are basically rookie cards is what they are. What's this? Is this 1999 Upper Deck Retro? Yeah, 99 Upper Deck Retro. That's kind of the first time I've seen one like this. Trevor Hoffman. That's a cool looking card. It's got some thickness to it. Looks pretty cool on the back there. That's cool. 91 Upper Deck. We're definitely familiar with this set. Pete Shorrick. Topps Total. I've seen these cards before. Brett Prinz. It's going to be a 2003 Topps Total. Leafs 50th anniversary, 1996, I believe, of Todd Hundley. I'm sorry, 1998. 98 Leaf, Todd Hundley, their 50th anniversary. Beautiful looking card. 2005 Donruss Team Heroes card of Tony Womack. Got a little bit of a corner issue up there. Otherwise, the card is looking fine. Oh, nice. Toronto Blue Jays, 1990 best of Travis Burley. That's a Blue Jays uniform, but what's the medicine hat? Official Blue Jays card. Huh. That's interesting. I'll have to do some research. Medicine, because I know the Syracuse Chiefs was a AAA team to the Blue Jays. So at first I was thinking that was a Syracuse Chiefs card. 1990, the Star Company of Jackie Gutierrez. A little bit off cut a bit. Bunch of 1989 tops of Randy Bacchus. That card looks a little washed out. We're probably going to toss that one out. Number 1 draft pick of Ty Griffin. Looks like we've got 2 of those. I'll check that, make that 3. 87 tops of Greg Brock. Score 91 of Andy Hawkins. Let's go ahead and we'll flip these around. We've got first Bowman card of Joe Lawrence. Very cool on that. It's going to be a 1997 Bowman, Joe Lawrence. USA Baseball Victory, Todd Williams. I believe that's going to be a 2000 or 2001 Victory card of Todd Williams. Upper Deck SP of Tom Henke, still sporting those thick glasses, or big rimmed glasses, I should say. In 1995, he still had them. That's amazing. Fleer Platinum, 20th anniversary. Nice throwback design with David Segui. That's going to be a 2001 Fleer Platinum throwback card. Very cool on that. Almost want to say that might be an 81 Fleer design, their first year. 1988 All-Star. This is going to be an 89 tops of Darryl Strawberry. Awesome. Very cool. Glossy All-Star of Darryl Strawberry. 89 tops of Darren Dalton. Got an issue in the corner up there. We're going to go ahead and toss that out now. Got Ted Power. Frank DiPino. Charlie Pulio. Bo Diaz. Will Tejada. Willie McGee. Jack Armstrong, manager of the Cleveland Indians at the time, Doc Edwards. There's Dave Dravecki. Oh, nice. 89 Upper Deck of Pascual Perez. Little bit of a corner issue there, but we'll go with it. Another 89 Upper Deck of Oddibe McDowell. Definitely welcome the Upper Decks. 1991 Front Row Draft Pick card of Dan Cholowski. That's going to be, that must be back when he was young. 1991 Front Row. Interesting. 89 tops of Matt Williams. Bit of a corner issue there. Going to go ahead and toss him out. 87 tops of Greg Harris. Back to 89 tops of Oswald Peraza. 89 Upper Deck of Dave Stewart. Very nice. 91 Upper Deck of Jose Lind. Interesting to see 89 Upper Deck in here. We've got Paul Assenmacher. Not bad. Randy Reddy. 89 score of Rafael Santana. And Topps 40th anniversary, 1991 with Chuck Carey. Very nice. So not bad in that second section. We picked up 89 Topps All-Star Glossy of Daryl Strawberry. And this card here made by Star of Mark Grace. Gonna have to do some research on that card. All right, y'all, let's open up this pack here and then we'll be finished. MLB 2003 Upper Deck, 5 cards per pack. Corners are looking great. What do we got? First pitch of Kirk Reuter. I guess they all say first pitch. Byung Hyun Kim. Luis Castillo. Beautiful looking cards. Season highlight checklist of Jason Giambi. We remember him. Very cool on that. And then Edgardo Alfonso. All right, not bad on those cards. All right, folks, there you have it. Unknown year baseball 100 trading cards by Fairfield. We've gotten Fairfield stuff before. All right, if you're still hanging out, we're coming up on 21 and a half minutes. I appreciate you. That's it for today. Stay safe and stay tuned. The next time we do videos, we will start with Score. Take care.